Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. So why Facebook ads are the worst, and odds are you'll lose money running them. Let's dive in. No fluff here. So Facebook ads pre-2021 were actually pretty good. You could launch an ad, you might actually get a sale, and it might even be profitable, but usually you'll lose money. So why do they suck now? Well, there's three things that have happened. I know that's harsh, but it's true. So let's look at the three reasons, and you can decide for yourself if you agree with me or not. Reason number one, iOS killed them. This is the update from Apple. So Apple and Facebook are at war. And who is the loser? Us, the marketers. We can't track accurately. That means it's kind of like flying a plane blindfolded, which means you're going to crash and burn eventually, probably sooner than later. Anybody who's watching this video and has run a Facebook ad knows that the odds of your success are pretty slim, unfortunately. Reason number two, marketers ruined it. Specifically, dropshippers. They ruined Facebook ads, and I'm going to call them out on that because what they did is they sold junk from China. They'd find some garbage on AliExpress.com. They would list it on a Shopify store. They'd run ads from Facebook to the Shopify store, and all was great, right? It was wonderful because these were products that you would see on like infomercials and all that, and people loved them and they were in demand. The only issue with that is it took about 4 months to arrive. So the dropshipper would place the order on AliExpress. That product would have to come from China, usually to the US or Canada or wherever it may be, and it would just take forever. Plus, it would arrive in a wrapper that looked like it had like Chinese writing on it, so people immediately would know that, they kind of got scammed a little bit. What happened was people would complain. So imagine you bought something on a store and 4 months later you still don't have it. Imagine Amazon tried doing that stuff. Of course, a million people would complain. So a million people plus probably complained to Facebook, and Facebook said, okay, no more of that, guys. You're out of here. We understand you spend a lot of money with us, but too bad. So Facebook users who bought got very pissed off. Now Facebook has bans first, and then they wait for you to inquire. So it's very difficult to get an account back, if not impossible now. You might as well just go use a relative's account or go the black hat route for this. So reason number three, there's zero support. So when you do get banned, which will happen if it hasn't happened already, try giving them a call, try emailing them, try chatting with them. It's the worst customer service of any company in the history of the internet. They just don't care. They just simply do not care about the advertisers at all. Maybe they care about the big brands who are just running those dumb ads that have like no direct response correlation to them at all. But Facebook just doesn't care about the little guy. They could care less about you. They could care less about me. Unless you're spending like 10 million a month, I don't think they even blink an eye at you. In fact, they don't want you on there. They suck. So what can you do instead? Well, I'm glad you asked. When one door closes, another one always opens. So there are lots of options out there. Some have existed before Facebook, and the options are Google. With Google, you have like YouTube ads, you have display ads, which are banners, you have search ads, you have shopping ads. There's also Twitter. You can run ads there. There's Pinterest. You can definitely run ads there. There's TikTok, which is just emerging as, I think they're going to be even bigger than Facebook eventually. And then Snapchat. And there's a couple more too that you can run ads for paid traffic. And paid traffic just means you're buying it, right? So if you want to learn how, go to my site, ppc-coach.com. I'm a seven-figure seller, been using paid traffic since 2007. So I've been doing this before Facebook was even around. Maybe I can help you. I don't know. Maybe we can sell some print-on-demand products profitably. Do me a favor, though. Hit the like button and subscribe. And also, one last thing, have a great day. I hope you get paid traffic working, and I hope you get it profitable, and I hope you never get banned by Facebook, because it's really annoying when you do. Trust me, been there, done that about 10 times now. Have a great day.